Hello everyone, with this design, take the loose ends of it and then at the bottom make a braid out of it. Do this on either side and then join it all together with a rubber band. Next, we will start off by taking the bottom portion of the hair after making the top two braids, make a braid at the bottom and then roll this braid upwards. After rolling it upwards, insert it underneath in place, fasten it in place using a bobby pin at the bottom and the top so that it stays firm and put. Add a decorative clip to it at the top and the bottom. Leave out two sections of the hair in the front on either side and then at the back, make a ponytail out of it. Make a knot out of one of the sections of the ponytail that you have taken and out of the other section make a braid out of it. Wrap the braid out of the knot that you have created and then, taking one of the sections you had initially left out, make a braid out of it. Do the same with the other side. Wrap both of these around the bun that you have created as such and then use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. Now add a decorative clip all around in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now divide the hair into two parts. Taking the left side, make a braid out of it, pull it through the top right section, and then gather all of the hair together, make another braid out of the right side, and then lift the right side braid upwards, fasten more onto the left side after twirling it. Keep out two sections of the hair from either side and then make a ponytail at the back. Now taking one of the sections you have left out, make a loop out of it and then insert the other one through it. Now continue on to make this knot and then pull the hair through as such. This is the shape that you should be left with. Tighten it at the base and then wrap it around the ponytail you've created. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take the left hand side section, pull it through the top right side. Now make a braid out of the right hand side section that is left over. Taking the braid, tie a rubber band to the bottom and then roll it upwards, fasten it in place on the left side. Add a decorative pin to the top of it all. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Lift up this ponytail and tie a rubber band to the base. Add a rubber band at the bottom and then in the gap present, wrap this around the bun. Now taking the main portion of the bun, use both your fingers on either of the hands and then split the hair in different sides accordingly. Split it to the top and the bottom in order to add more volume to it. This is what it should look like. At the base or the sides, you may add a decorative pin to it as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, divide it into three parts, make a braid out of it, lift it up and tie it as such. Taking the rest of the hair, add a rubber band to the bottom, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun that you have created, wrap up the excess pieces of the hair at the top and then add a rubber band around it. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then take a hair stick and then wrap the hair around this hair stick. Push the hair stick through as such. Make a braid out of the rest of the hair and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Now divide this ponytail into two parts. Now make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, take two sections from either side of the two sections you have made, make them small sections and then make them interchange in the middle of these two initial sections you have created. Continue to do this until you reach the bottom and then this is what it should begin to look like. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together, then take this particular kind of clip, wrap the hair around it as such. Once you have wrapped the hair around it, insert it into the scalp and then twist it in order to fasten it in its place. Make sure it is decorative in nature. Next, gather all of the hair together, divide it into three parts, make a braid out of it and roll it upwards. Use a hair stick in order to fasten it in its place as such. Make sure that it is decorative in nature as such. Thank you for watching.